ever wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe someone told you that you snore loudly? You might be wondering, could this be sleep apnea? Hello everybody, my name is Nadia and I'm here today with Oxigo to help you sleep and breathe better. But first of all, let me be clear. This video is not about diagnosing sleep apnea. Only a doctor or a sleep specialist can do that. What we do today is to go through some common signs people notice, so you know when it might be a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional. Sleep apnea is a sleep disorder where breath repeatedly stops and starts during the night. It's more common than people think, but often people don't realize they have it until a doctor investigates. I just read a shocking new study, like up to 936 million people worldwide have sleep apnea. Yeah, you heard it right. Almost a billion people. So, how do you know if you might have it? Let me pause for a moment and make it clear for you. Not everyone who snores has sleep apnea, but snoring is a common symptom. In fact, it's present in about 90% of people who do have it. Alright, so what are some other signs? Because, snoring alone might not be the easiest way to figure this out. A lot of people think of sleep apnea as a big person issue, but actually, you don't have to be overweight to experience disordered breathing. That said, being heavier does often go hand in hand with sleep apnea, so it's definitely something to keep in mind. And what else? Well, people with sleep apnea are usually very tired during the day because their body keeps waking them up, sometimes hundreds of times a night. They might also wake up with a dry mouth, headaches from mouth breathing, or even a restless sleep with night sweats. Some get up to go to the bathroom multiple times, or they wake up in a bad mood, like they feel anxious and just not feeling refreshed. Now, think of someone you know who could have sleep apnea or even just snores heavily and share this video with them. It's really important to me to raise awareness because, like I said before, almost a billion people out there may be affected. And most of them have no idea they're going through these sleepless and miserable nights. But there's a good news. This is a treatable condition. If you recognize some of these signs, the next step is to not self-diagnose. The right thing to do is to speak to a doctor. They might recommend a sleep study either in a clinic or with a simple at-home test to get a clear picture. Treatments always depend on the individual and must be guided by a doctor. But in general, there are a few common approaches, like for example, lifestyle changes, weight management, sleeping on your side, or even reducing alcohol and smoking. CPAP therapy, which is one of the most widely used and effective treatments. At Oxigo, we help people to find the right CPAP device or mask. And what's unique about us is that you can actually visit our office here in Utrecht by booking an appointment and see the product in person. To sum up, this video isn't here to give you a diagnosis, but to make you aware of some warning signs. If you notice them in yourself or a loved one, the safest next step is to consult a healthcare professional. And if you're already being diagnosed and want to learn and discover more about CPAP solutions, visit us at oxigo.co. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others. You can also follow us on social media. All the links are down below in the description. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.